Look at the color on these.
Peak ripeness. The harvest can begin.
We need to ensure the maturity is uniform across this block before we schedule the harvest.
Agreed. The data suggests we're right on target for next week.
Control, this is Engineer 1. Harvest authorization signal is green. Begin harvest operations sector-wide.
Okay, bring it slowly to the hopper. Watch the edge.
Send the next batch to line 3.
Confirmed, diverting now.
These look excellent, ripe and intact.
Confirmed. Ready for transport.
All right, the blood truck is full. Right truck, pull into position.
All right, hold it right there. Slow it down just a little bit more. This batch is coming through perfectly. The new sorter is much faster.
The flow rate looks good on channel 3.
Yes, moisture levels are optimal. Let's keep monitoring the input volume.
The cascade seems to be flowing smoothly.
Confirmed. All systems are green on the board.
Temperature and pH levels are stable.
Good. The aroma profile is developing nicely. We are right on schedule.
The moisture levels look good on this batch.
All right, let's keep the conveyor steady as it approaches the dryer.
The new settings are holding steady. Moisture levels are dropping right on schedule.
Excellent. The color is developing nicely too. Moisture levels confirmed. The lot is approved for storage.
Very good, noted.
Increase the flow rate just a bit.
Adjusting now. The moisture content is optimal for hulling.
Final grading confirmation complete. They look good.
Status logged. The readiness signal is active.
That one's almost full.
Okay, I'm ready to switch it out.
Place that one right there, next to the last row.
Got it.
Watch the forklift behind you.
We have confirmation on the Asia Pac shipment staging.
Yes, the manifest checks out. We are clear for loading Bay 3.
Watch the side, bring it in slow. Okay, drop it.
The red container is clear for transfer.
Confirmed on the manifest. Moving to stage 2.
Okay, bring it down slow, copy that. Clear on the starboard side.
Go ahead and pull it in. The manifest is confirmed digitally.
Seal number 4R79. Looks intact.
Confirmed. Data entered. All right, the count looks good. Let's get these moved into the cool room immediately.
Here on the left.
The body looks very uniform. I'm getting clear notes of citrus and toasted grain on the break.
Notes of caramel and perhaps a hint of berry in the finish.
Yes, but the body is underdeveloped.
We've officially logged these 20 bags. Move the next pallet to zone 5.
Roger that. Heading to zone 5 now.
The green beans are now entering the drum, beginning the critical roasting phase that unlocks their complex flavors.
Temperature is holding steady at 210.
Verified. Time looks good too. The timing on the third drum is slightly off.
I see it. The delta pressure looks stable though.
Let's log it and keep monitoring. Airflow balance seems low on the west side.
Adjusting the lever now. Should stabilize the temperature.
Degassing rate is consistent with the profile.
I show 30 minutes remaining until target completion.
Stabilization period is complete. Approved. I am logging the readiness now.
Flow rate is up 10% this quarter.
Excellent. The new layout is working perfectly.
Is this the coffee order for the main floor?
Yeah, lift with the forks. Watch the wrapping.
We need this bay clear.
Route 42, that's everything for the downtown stores. Sign right here, please.
Looks complete. We should be on schedule.
All right, he's in position. Looks like a full load today.
Yeah, I'm showing 50 cases on the manifest. Let's get the jack ready.